How long have you been trying to make money online? Too long, right? Doesn't that make you angry? I understand your anger. And I'm here to tell you one thing. It shouldn't be like this. We can put an end to this. In this video, I'll show you how you can get paid $27 by answering yes or no in just a few seconds. So, keep watching till the end. But before we start, make sure to check the links in the description below to make big money instantly, so make sure you don't miss out on that. Subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. Now let's jump to the video. Imagine that simply you can share your opinions to get instant payments directly to your PayPal account. I am talking about an app that will pay you to just say your opinion about some products. This app is called Opinion Bank app. Opinion Bank is an app that helps you find these simple questions to be answered and get paid. It is so easy, even a non-native English can do it. All the work is done for you by the automation app. It only takes 10 seconds to fill one simple form and get an instant $27 into your PayPal account. And you can do it from anywhere. As long as you have an internet connection, mobile or laptop, it doesn't matter. Opinion Bank works for anyone. You can get started only in 3 steps. Step 1. Create your account. Simply click on any of the buttons on this page and get instant access to Opinion Bank. Step 2. Answer simple questions. Select from thousands of survey apps available. Step 3. Get paid. That's it, get paid for every question form filled. To learn more about Opinion Bank, I will leave to you the link below in description. All you have to do is click the link to learn more and get started. And make sure to check all the links in the description if you like to make money instantly. In the end, if you found this video valuable, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell.